Hi, this is Sumit from Kaffiesta Steaks. It's a small steakhouse in South Calcutta. And this name basically is a Spanish and European kind of a fusion, mixed kind of a name.
I am Kaffiesta chef and specialist. We have steaks and burger and lot of seafood like a lamb shank also, and we serve basically cheeseburger and sandwiches, and we serve chicken, beef, pork, fish steaks, and also lamb shank sizzler with double burger.
The ambience here is full of positivity and there is a lot of positive energy. We play very good music and the decor is very colorful and very bright and colorful decor. And I invite all you guys to come over and try our cuisine, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Thank you.